Come with me to the Mapua Fun Run. I woke up at 3 a.m. in the morning to get to Mapua early because the fun run for 5 km runners starts at 5 a.m. This is me on my journey to Intramuros. I arrived in Intramuros at 4:48 a.m. in the morning, just right before the start of the 5 km fun run. And this is me taking up video of the announcement. The fun run for 5 km runners started at exactly 5 a.m. I came with my old classmate from my previous school, and this is the view at the start/finish line. Because this is our first fun run, my friend and I didn't know what to do, but we still ran nonetheless. And this is us enjoying ourselves while running. When we crossed our 1 km mark, we enjoyed the view along with our fellow Mapuans. We eventually stumbled upon this beautiful view. My classmate and I were just chatting and taking pictures of the beautiful bridge. We've eventually crossed the bridge, and thankfully, we've surpassed our 2.5 kilometer walk. And now we're on our way back to Mapua. As we concluded the fun run on our way back to Mapua, my friend and I chatted for a bit about the difficulty of life and about our old classmates. We then talked about our life in Mapua. And this experience is one of the key events in Mapua. And this would be forever be a core memory for the both of us.